Connect Module 7 – Downloading and Replicating a Connection. The CEDS Connect tool allows users to download shared connections in PDF form so they can be printed or distributed in other ways. The tool also allows users to replicate shared connections so they can adapt them into their own connections. For example, if a user would like to use a shared connection as a model for his or her own connection, he or she might replicate it to get started. This would provide a framework for the user to adapt the connection to his or her own purposes. This tutorial explains how to download and how to replicate shared CEDS connections. Download a shared connection. Topic 1. The first topic we will discuss is how to download a shared connection. To get started, log in to the CEDS website. Then access the Connect main menu by selecting Tools, Connect from the green menu bar at the top of the CEDS homepage. Under the Use column, click Find Existing Connection. Access the connection that interests you by searching for it and then clicking on the connection's name. For detailed instructions on finding connections, see Connect Module 4, Searching for a Connection. Once you are viewing the connection, download it by clicking the green Options button in the top right of the screen and selecting Download CEDS Connection. The connection displays in PDF form. You can then save the PDF to your computer. Replicate a shared connection. Topic 2. In this section, we will discuss how to replicate a connection. To replicate the connection, click the green Options button in the top right of the screen and select Replicate CEDS Connection. The system will prompt you to enter a name for the new replicated connection, as well as its source and author. The author should be the person who is responsible for completing the connection information. In this case, the author is most likely you. The source is the group or individual who is responsible for the connection. It may be your agency name or association. Click Replicate, and the new connection will be created. To access the newly created connection, go to Tools, Connect, and select Manage Connections under the Build column, and find the new connection in the list. Click on the connection's name and you will be taken to the Manage Connection screen. Click on Modify Connection to get started. You will then be able to edit the connection to adapt it to your own needs. For detailed instructions on the various parts of a connection and how to edit them, see Connect Module 1, Creating a Connection Manually, and Module 3, Managing a Connection. This completes Connect Module 7, Downloading and Replicating a CEDS Connection. For information on the other dynamic capabilities of the Connect tool, please view the other Connect tutorials available on the CEDS website, or contact us for a demonstration.